Jesus, I'm like seriously sweating. I'm like so overwhelmed right now. Hold on. You're supposed to be handing me palettes, babe. I thought you were helping me here. I've never like filmed with anybody in here, so you have to be quiet. And spring is coming up, so I mean, spring is not coming up. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, first things first, announcements. We have a new friend. Her name is Betsy. Okay, moving on. I recently got back from a trip seeing my friend Carrington. Carrington lives like over the state line across from me. We're pretty close considering the size of the United States, so I thought I might pay her a visit. While I was on vacation with Carrington, of course we did a little shopping, and not only did we do some shopping, some makeup shopping, but she also sent me away with a makeup goodie bag. I have absolutely no idea what is inside of this bag. It looks like this. If you guys think that you have a lot of makeup or that I have a lot of makeup, you need to go and check out Carrington's channel. I promise you, she has every single makeup item that you could ever imagine in your life. Anything you want to see a look with, she's got it in her collection. I'm not kidding. Her collection is humongous. Anyways, so yes, she sent me away with a mystery goodie bag, and then also I have a small dainty bag of things that I bought myself while I was visiting Carrington. And so in today's video, we are going to do a makeup haul. You will almost never see these on my channel. I do not buy enough makeup to haul it. I don't collect that much at one time, so you will probably never see another haul from me. But she has gifted me so much makeup that I'm excited to see what's in it. I thought we could unbox it or unbag it together and see what we're going to be working with in the upcoming months, because you better believe I'm going to be putting this stuff on my face. I already used one of my mystery palettes on my eyes today. A short will be up on my channel before this, after this. If it's already up, of course, I will link it like I always do, but if not, it's coming up. It's a good one. So without further ado, if you would like to see what Carrington gifted me and also see all the other things I picked up while I was in Missouri, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay, first let's go into the stuff that I bought that I know I have. I bought it, I bought it myself. So that would be this bag. The first thing I picked up is the I Heart Revolution Watermelon palette. If you've been with me for a while, you will know I have a slight obsession with red eyeshadows at the moment. So I picked this beauty up. Ooh, she's pretty. There's that. I also picked up the Juvia's Place, the Blushed Rose palette. The Blushed Rose palette, yes. Again, another pink red palette. I'm obsessed. I got the Maybelline Glass Setting Spray. This was a recommendation from my YouTuber friend here called Lisa Ann. I will link her channel down below as well. She raves about this and I thought I might try it out. Why not now? Let's see. Spritzer's a little aggressive. I'm gonna hold it really far away. Ooh. Smells of skincare and it's wet. And I also picked up the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I know I am behind on this trend. I did not pick it up when it was popular. This primer costs like, I'm not kidding, $15. I'm like, you can get like a high-end primer for basically $15. So this crap better be good, Carrington, damn it. Okay, that's all I got with my own money. So let's dig into the mystery bag and see what Carrington sent home with me. Okay, the first item, and the item I knew I had in this bag because she gave it to me, like, while I was watching her, like, she handed it to me, and it's the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. I know Jeffree Star is a very polarizing figure here on YouTube. I have never tried any of his palettes. This is what's on my eyes right now. Looks like that. It's red. And it is a beautiful palette. Say what you want about Jeffree Star. He makes a mean eyeshadow palette. Like, those monochromatic palettes he did, they're nice. All right, digging in. Jeffree Star Orgy palette. That is his all neutrals palette. I don't wear a lot of neutrals, but I'm willing to try it for the formula. Like fall and winter are coming up, so honestly neutrals will probably become part of my repertoire again. Right now I'm feeling reds and pinks and oranges and yellows, but who knows? Maybe I'll go back to a neutral look someday. Juvia's Place The Sweet Pinks palette. Unopened. Carrington, you have a problem. I'm telling you, seriously, if you guys want to see any makeup item, I'm not kidding, any makeup item, go to her channel. She probably has it. If you requested it, if you want to know before purchasing, ask her. She has it. I know she has it. She has to have it. Very bright, very springy, very pink. Hello, that's you. I see your legs. What you doing?
Not here.
Do you just want to know what she brought me?
Yeah, I'm curious.
With me?
With you.
What do you mean with me?
With you.
What do you mean?
Not against you.
What do you mean?
I'll do your makeup.
You'll do my makeup?
Yeah.
You will do my... Jason will do my makeup whenever I hit 500 subscribers. I'm almost at 200, you know. That happened really quickly, like in a month, so I just want you to be prepared.
When you get to 500.
Shake it. Okay, next in the bag, another Jeffree Star. Carrington, seriously, you have a problem. This one isn't even freaking unwrapped. Holy shit. Holy shit, Carrington. Blue Bloods palette. Completely in the wrapper. Completely in the paper. Looks like that. I do not wear blues, but I do wear pinks and greens, so I'm sure I can come up with something. Stay tuned for that. Next, we have the BH Cosmetics Sugar Cone palette. This is just your basic, very neutral, like this bottom row is shimmers, top rows is mattes, and it's a gradient light to dark. Another good neutral palette for the fall winter time, so I'll be getting some use out of that. Next, we have the BH Cosmetics Cherry on Top palette. Girl, all reds. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm going to have so many good red looks coming up. Okay, excited for that one. I'm sweating. I'm like literally sweating. This is a lot of makeup. This is more makeup than, she gifted me more makeup than I already have in my collection. Okay, I'm sweating. Okay, next up, Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. Looks like that. I do remember this one. She gifted me this one because it came damaged and she had to actually repress it. So I don't really mind that. I'm grateful for it. And I think it's a beautiful green palette. So I'm going to get a lot of use out of that too, probably. Another good one for fall, winter. Another Juvia's Place palette. This is the Queen palette, Fumi X Juvia's. I don't know if I knew about this one. The packaging is white, which means it's going to get very dirty very quickly. And it looks like that. It's an interesting color story, actually. It's kind of neutrally with pink and red. I'm sure I can come up with something. This was a good mystery bag because honestly, I have none of these palettes. Like, I've been collecting for a while now and I have none of these palettes. Like, how is that even possible? We have the ColourPop The Child palette. Again, another amazing palette for the fall winter time. It's so pretty. I wanted it when it came out, but I wasn't buying from ColourPop at the time, and I also definitely wasn't buying like the Star Wars collection. Like, why would I? I don't watch Star Wars, but it is a nice color story. I'll get some use out of that one for sure. Okay, the very next thing is a palette duo, and I didn't even know ColourPop came out with these, but it is the Cooler Than Me palette duo, and it's got the Little Ray of Sunshine palette and the Making Mauves palette. I'm like honestly overwhelmed right now. Okay, The Little Ray of Sunshine palette looks like that. It is all mattes, yellow. That'll be good for fall. And the Making Mauves palette is all cool tone purples, and you have a row of shimmers in the center. This one is very, very pretty. Actually, I'm wondering if Carrington has used this palette, like her own palette, because this is like such a good color story for her. So let me know, Carrington, in the comments, have you used this palette? Because this is like literally your palette right here. Here you go. Okay, I knew about this one. The ColourPop Gather Round Sisters palette, which came out last October for Halloween. It is their Hocus Pocus palette, and they sold out, and also it was like kind of a weird release. But obviously I did not get my hands on it. I didn't even try to get my hands on it because it sold out like immediately. But another good fall winter palette. Okay. Okay, our first item that is not a eyeshadow palette. This is the Juvia's Place Glass Gloss in It's Electric. It's a gold clear gloss. Oh gosh, it's got a huge doe foot applicator on it.
It's electric.
Babe, I'm gonna kill you. And it is just a gold, babe, you're so distracting. And it is just a gold clear gloss. Very sticky, actually. And kind of hard to put back together. But our first non-eyeshadow palette item. Okay, moving on. Okay, this one I knew about. This is a Z palette, or like an empty magnetic palette from ColourPop. This is for eventually when I get my Copacetic Cosmetics order that I ordered like 2 months ago. No shade. But I'm going to be putting the shades in here. So I knew about this one. She had an extra one, and she gifted it to me. Carrington, you need to go to AA. The Conspiracy palette. Carrington, oh my gosh. You're like stressing me out. Like, how do you have so much makeup? How do you have so much makeup? So much makeup that you can gift me this much makeup and probably not even notice it's missing out of your collection. Okay. This is the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. Looks like that. Again, another neutral palette, has some pops of color in it. Basically, after this haul, I will never have to buy another eyeshadow palette again. Like, Carrington has gifted me every color in the rainbow and all of their hues. So, thank you, Carrington. You have personally ended my eyeshadow buying addiction. So, I have you to thank for that. Okay, and with all of that said, this is everything that Carrington has gifted to me from her collection. Things that she wasn't going to use, basically her declutter, but also just extras. I am beyond overwhelmed and grateful right now. Like this, this just blows my mind. Like, I am literally, like, my mind is reeling right now. Just imagine the generosity that a person has to have to gift someone this much makeup. Like, I am beyond words right now. Seriously, I cannot find the words to say thank you enough. This just seriously makes my makeup heart burst into a million trillion pieces. Like, I'm not kidding. There is no way that I will ever be able to like repay you or say thank you enough for all of the makeup you have just gifted me. Like, my mind is literally blown. That is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And also, I'm sorry if you enjoyed it because, again, I cannot replicate that on my own. There is no way that I could physically like obtain that much makeup at one time just on with my own means. You know what I'm saying? But I do really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, Carrington, thank you so much. Like, I'm like speechless. Honestly, I'm speechless. I am going to have so much fun playing with all of these eyeshadows you gave me. Guys, look forward to a lot of content using all of the different palettes that she has gifted me. I have a lot of shorts coming using the palettes, and I will probably include them in a lot of my videos coming up. So if there's anything in particular that you would like to see me use or try out, then please feel free to leave it down below in the comments. But other than that, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!